Today's world is very dangerous. Like, sometimes I get the report that some devotees are watching some not so nice programs. I don't blame them, because what happens, like you go into the internet and something just crops up. Right? And yes, mind become attracted to it. So try to curb those tendencies for your own benefit. For your own benefit. Because this is Māyā. Māyā means what? She is trying to take you away from Krishna. Today's world is full of that. The whole world is all news, so many programs. Actually, some are doing in the grocery, some are in the subtle way. Like when you go out and see some billboard or some advertisement, you see beautiful half-naked woman. What's that? That's subtle injection of Satan. So how can you control that? How can you control that temptation? Is there any need to control that temptation? Overcome the temptation? Do that with your Krishna consciousness. Do that by remaining in good association. Like Prabhupada told me that the way to control that urge is only good association. This material nature is very strong. Māyā can make one fall down. The only thing that can protect is sadhu sangha, association with devotees. And Prabhupada explained that Māyā is very strong. Mama māyā duratyayā. Duratyaya, insurmountable. Difficult to overcome. Because the immitation. This is Krishna's image, Krishna's potency. Now Māyā is Krishna's potency, but Māyā is Krishna's external potency, inferior image. But association of devotees is Krishna's superior image. So when you are in the shelter of Krishna's superior energy, you will be able to overcome the influence of inferior image. And Māme bhaje prapadyante, Krishna is saying. What is Māme bhaje prapadyante? Māme bhaje prapadyante means association, spiritual association.